Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will look at the part 2 of the previous video. In the previous video we had studied about the measure of dispersion. So we studied a range there, then we studied mean deviation for ungrouped data. Okay. In this video we are studying mean deviation for grouped data. Okay. Mean deviation for grouped data. Now what do you mean by grouped data? So grouped data means suppose a observation occurs many times, okay, that is more than one times, then we can group that observation, okay, and once you group the observation you get something called as frequency of the observation. That means how many times the observation occurs in the data, okay. So here we have two types of grouped data, that is first is called as the discrete grouped data or discrete frequency data, and another is called as the continuous frequency data. So first we have discrete frequency distribution, also it is called as, and second is called as the continuous frequency distribution. Okay, so first we will look at the discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution. So in this, the first type of discrete frequency distribution is for the grouped data, okay, and so we have to find the mean deviation about the mean, okay, mean deviation about mean so here we have to first find the mean. So for that we need a data here. So let x1 x2 up to xn be n discrete means distinct, also you can call it, and distinct observations with frequencies f1 f2 up to fn, okay. So first what we have to do is find the mean. So mean for grouped data, you know how to find mean, that is x bar is equal to summation I going from 1 to n fi xi, right, then it is divided by summation I going from 1 to n fi, okay. So we denote this summation fi as capital N. We denote summation I going from 1 to n fi as capital N. So therefore the mean x bar will be equal to summation I going from 1 to n fi xi divided by capital N, okay. So mean deviation about mean, now we can write mean deviation about mean will be equal to a summation I going from 1 to n fi modulus xi minus x bar. Okay, so these are the deviations divided by capital N. Okay, so this is the formula for the mean deviation about mean in the grouped data. Okay, now we will look at how to find mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median. So for this we have to look at an example. So find the mean deviation about the median for the following data. Okay, so here what we have to do is a table. So that is xi, fi and cf. Cf is nothing but cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So let us write down xi values. So 369, 12, 13, 15, 21, 22, and the corresponding frequencies are this 3, 4, 5, then 2, 4, 5, 4, 3. Now cumulative frequency will be as follows. So 3 should be written as 3, that is the first value. Then what we have to do is add this 3 to this 4, so we will get 7, right? Then we have to add 7 to this 5, we will get 12. Then 12 to this 2, we will get 14. 14 to this 4, we will get 18. 18 to this 5, we have to add 23. 23 to this 4, we will get 27. 27 plus this 3 will be 30. Okay, so total sigma fi is nothing but 30. If you add this, you will get 30 here. Okay, so once you have this, what we have to find is the median. Now you have to look at the capital N here. Capital N is equal to summation I going from 1 to, how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So summation I going from 1 to 8 fi, that will be 30, right? 30. So 30 is even here. Okay, so for even, what happens if capital N is even? We have to find the median as follows. So median of the data is the mean of capital N by 2th value and N by 2 plus 1th value or observation. Okay, so that is the mean of 30 by 2th value, right, and 30 by 2 plus 1th value. Okay, So that is mean of the 15th and 15 plus 1th will be 16th observation. Now if you look at the cumulative frequency here, 15 and 16 are here, right? 15 and 16 is between 14 and 18. So what we have to select is the cumulative frequency which is greater than both 15 and 16. So that is 18 here, right? So 18, so corresponding xi value will be the median. Okay, and so what you will get here is mean of 13 and 13. So that is 13 plus 13 by 2, right? This is how we find mean. So 13 plus 13 by 2 will be 26 by 2, which is equal to 13. So median is what? 13, right? So therefore median M is 13. Now we can go to finding the mean deviation about median. So mean deviation M about mean deviation MD about median M is equal to the formula is like this: summation I going from 1 to 8 fi x I minus capital M divided by capital N. So what we have to find is this modulus of xi minus m, right, and then fi, and also this product. So modulus of xi minus m, then fi, and the product fi modulus of xi minus m. So this is easy to find, modulus of xi minus m. So one calculation I will show it to you. So it is modulus of, see first xi is which one? This 3, right? So modulus of 3 minus m. M is what? M is 13 here, right? So modulus of 3 minus 13, which is modulus of minus 10, which is 10. Okay, so like this we have to find the values. So what you will get as the second value? It is modulus of 6 minus 13, so that is 7. Then modulus of 9 minus 13, that is 4. Then modulus of 12 minus 13, that is 1. Then modulus of 13 minus 13, which is 0. Then modulus of 15 minus 13, that is 2. So like this we have to find modulus of 21 minus modulus of 15 minus 13, that is again we have done that, right? Modulus of 15 minus 13. So modulus of 21 minus 13 will be 8, and then modulus of 22 minus 13 will be 9. Okay, now fi we have to just write it here, fi 3 4 5 2 4 5 4 3. Now we have to take the product. 10 times 3 is 30, 7 times 4 is 28, 4 times 5 is 20, 1 times 2 is 2, 0 times 4 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10, 8 times 4 is 32, 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so summation I going from 1 to 8 fi modulus of xi minus m, that is total of this. Okay, so 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 14, right, 10 plus 2 is 12, sorry, 12 plus 7 is 19, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, so 149 you get. Okay, so now we can find the mean deviation about m. So mean deviation m about, sorry, md about m is equal to, this is the formula right here. So what is the total? 149. So 149 divided by capital N. Capital N is 30. So this is equal to, see, decimal point we can take to this. So 14.9 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 2 remains here. So point 3 sevens are 3 nines are 27, right? So 2 remains. So 3 6 are 18. Again 2 will remain. 3 6 are 18. So what answer you get is 4.97. So that's it for the second part of the video. I will upload the third part in the I will upload the third part soon.